Okay, so this question is talking about percentages. It's talking about a stretch length of elastic. Work out the original length. Well, there's our trigger. It wants the original length. So in other words, I need to go backwards to find out what the original thing was. So this kind of shouts out at me, it's about reverse percent. So technique for that is, well, the new came from an original value. So something happened to the original. Well, in this case, we were told that the elastic was stretched by 30%, so we had to add 30% on, and that gave us our new value. Well, there must have been a multiplying factor then to turn our original value into our new value. Because it's plus 30%, that means we're 130% of our original. Well, that's the percentage multiplier of 1.3. So we need to remember that 130% is the same as the decimal 1.3. This is our what we call our multiplier. So our original value times 1.3 gives us our new value. Now the question tells me that the new value is 32.5 centimeters. So in other words, something times 1.3 gives us a value of 32.5. So to find our answer, and hence the reason this is called reverse percent, is I reverse the process. So I end up doing 32.5 divide by 1.3. Now again, when we're dividing with decimals, usually best to make it into an equivalent fraction. So we times that by 10 to make it a whole number. Easier to do whole numbers. So we times that by 10 as well. So 325. So we're ending up doing 13s into 325. Again, technique, 13s into 3 doesn't work, so we carry that remainder over to the next digit to make 32. 13s into 32 is 2. And 2 13s are 26, so take that away from there, we end up with 6. 32 take away 26 is 6. Carry the remainder over to the next digit. So 13s into 65, well, we go through our 13 times table. So 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. No remainder to carry over, so the answer is 25 centimeters. Okay. So the thing I've got to remember here is that this is about finding an original amount, so it's a reverse percentage. We then work through the process of thinking, well, we had a value that was called the original. We know what the new value is, i.e. where it is now. We know we did something to it, the original value that is. So in adding 30% is the same as multiplying by 1.3, the percentage multiplier. So to get back to the new value, the original value, sorry, then we do the reverse. So we divide by that and end up with this answer. It's not a case of finding 30% of this and then take it off. It's slightly more complicated than that because of the reverse idea.